Okay guys, so today we are going to be creating this look using the Berries palette from Juvia's place. Hopping into it, we are priming our lids with concealer, and this concealer is Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer. So I'm just using this as a base, pressing it all over my lids. Like I said, we are going to be using the Berries palette. So I'm going to go in with this dark burgundy shade first, and this is going to be our base shade. So I am patting this all over my lid and patting motions. I'm not swiping it, I'm basically just patting it down so that I can get all of that pigment onto the brush. Then I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush and blend it out a little bit. Then we are using this brighter pink shade. It's like a light pink shade, and we are going to use that as a transition shade so that the purple, well, burgundy doesn't look too harsh. And of course we are repeating the same steps on the opposite eye. This look is so easy and simple. I want to do something quick for you guys. So then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using that same concealer with a small flat brush. And we're doing a full cut crease this time. I usually do half cut creases. But yeah, I'm just going to take my concealer and drag it to the shape that I want. Then I'm going to go in with a bigger brush to go over that concealer so that it's nice and perfected, guys. So then we are going to go in with the Nudes palette, and I'm going to be using one of the shimmer shades from that palette. So I'm basically just going to press that shimmer right over the concealer, not using another shadow, just using straight shimmer. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean that up with a wipey. And now we're going to be moving on to eyeliner. I went with a really small light eyeliner, nothing too dramatic. We added lashes, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my face. So I'm priming my face with a milk primer from ColourPop. Of course, I'll have the details in the description. And we are using Juvia's Place foundation. The shade name will be in the description because I change my shade names a lot because my skin changes like according to season. So I'm going to pat that in with my beauty blender all over my face. I love this foundation. It's absolutely full coverage. So I'm going to be using the stick foundation to conceal and contour today. Again, the shades of every foundation that I'm using in this video will be in the description if you guys are interested in my shades. So I'm going to go ahead and beauty blend that concealer in, making sure everything is nice and seamless. Forehead, we got to snatch the entire face. So I'm going in with a darker shade to contour my makeup. You guys don't mind, Leo. I'm actually feeding him as I'm doing this voiceover. I'm just gonna basically contour my face. You gotta make my face look all snatched and slim, but we all know your girl got a double chin. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep blending in that contour until it's nice and well put together. Blending is not one of my favorite parts of makeup. So then I'm going in with a setting powder, and I believe this is Huda's setting powder. That's like my favorite setting powder. I love Huda Beauty's setting powder. It's like the best setting powder ever. So as you guys can see, I don't bake. I just put it on there with a beauty blender and wipe it off with a brush. I wanted to use mostly Juvia's Place items today, so I used the eyeshadow as a blush, and this is also a eyeshadow as a highlighter. I need to get more Juvia's Place items, guys. So then I'm doing my under eye. I always do my under eye after I complete the rest of my face. That's just what's better for me. Mascara is Tarte, as always. I love Tarte mascara. So I'm just adding the mascara to my bottom lashes and my top lashes. And then for lip liner, I'm actually using the brown palette from Juvia's Place, the mini brown palette, and I'm using that to line my lips. Then I add a gloss from my gloss line, and we are set to go. And that's the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.